What does an Estyn inspection look like for staff?
Well, I think the first thing to be clear about is that there's nothing that you should be doing that is special or different for the inspection. Do what you normally do. What we like to say is that you should consider yourself to be ready already. In practical terms, well, inspection will start usually about lunchtime on the first day. The team will arrive. The size of the team depends on factors such as the size of the school, whether it's a primary or secondary, whether it's possibly part of a federation. And there'll be a meeting that the head teacher usually will attend to begin around about that lunchtime. There'll already have been a conversation with the head teacher remotely in the week or two prior to the inspection. We'll run through a few things in that meeting that'll be confirming some practical arrangements and that kind of thing. But pretty soon after that meeting, during the first afternoon, inspectors will be out and about. They will start going into lessons, maybe to observe full lessons or maybe on learning walks. Certainly they'll start chatting with staff and with pupils and begin to get to know the school. And as the inspection goes on into the next full day, there'll be far more opportunities again for staff to chat to inspectors when they see them in lessons, out and about. We'll also take the opportunity to speak to pupils and staff during maybe the less structured times. So we might see pupils as they are in the circulation areas and the corridors moving around the school. Certainly we'll spend time as a team on the playground or in the recreational areas, and probably in the school canteen and that kind of thing. So we'll be highly visible during the week, and we'll be gathering evidence from lots of different sources.